Hey everybody, you're watching the Palmetto Outdoor Experience, and today we're going to do some bare shaft tuning on the PSE NTN Evo 33. I'm running the AAE Nock on arrow rest. We're running the HHA Sports Optimizer light and CBE Torx front and back bars. The bow's pretty close. Paper tuning. The arrows that we're using are Black Eagle Rampages wrapped, and just the Black Eagle veins. But to do this, we're just, this is the arrow shaft non-fletched. So what I'm running in the front is the Easton 75 grain half out inserts, and then a 125 grain point here, which puts our FOC a lot higher and helps. Really, this bow really shoots it well. We're shooting a 300 spine, and we calculated it all out and got our all of our spine calculations and everything for our weights and everything. So let's see. Let's see if this thing will shoot a bullet. Hopefully. And I'm filming this video with the new iPhone Pro Max 12. I just picked it up yesterday. We do have a little bit of a wind, so this could affect our results, but maybe not. Bare shaft. Look at there. Look at there, guys. That's a bullet hole. And that is, that's impressive. I literally just put those arrows together, or my brother did for me, and I have been tuning it here over the last little bit. I should have showed you guys how I done it, but on these AAEs it's really simple. So these are at like set screws. So you adjust your set screw, and it's got micro adjustments left and right, and the same for the up and down. Now if you go up and down really heavy, you will have to adjust your drive cable right here, which drives your well tail. I'm running on this bow right at 70 pounds, 29 inch draw, might be 29 and a half. I'm curious to see what a fletched arrow will do to this thing. I'll probably screw the shot up and, and make a horrible tear, but we'll just see what we can do. Let's see what we got here. Always want to make sure you're good and level, so that your arrow goes through your paper good and straight. That's not bad. I'm more impressed by that bare shaft. Now you got to know that the wax paper is going to rip more than actual paper. So if you're shooting through like a thicker paper, you're not going to have as severe of a rip as you're getting with these, which is fine. I'm curious to see what this bow will do with this arrow here. It's a 4-vein fletched. This is a 300 spine. This is actually from my brother's bow, and he's running a whole lot lighter front end on it, or front of center. I won't shoot it. I ain't gonna tell him either. Oh yeah, see his shot different, but we shoot a completely different weight, completely different grain, everything. All right, one more bullet hole, and then we'll wrap it up. Oh, this is bare shaft. This is when I tune a bow now, especially after watching Ranch Fairy. Shout out to Ranch Fairy. Strictly bare shaft first thing. Bare shaft. Once you get your bare shaft done, your veins don't have to compensate for anything. So technically, you should be pretty good, according to Ranch Fairy. And his 20-pound arrows. All right. one more time. Bullet hole. That one actually went in the hole of another one, I'm pretty sure. Or either I jerked on that shot. Lord. That and that wind is whipping. But hey, I'm not going to complain. I know it'll do it. And this is just paper tuning here. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. Okay. So now that we're paper tuned, we're gonna go up here to the 35-yard fan. This is on the archery range here now. I do know that let me get my camera set up here. Sorry guys. Now this is an actual field range out here. We got about 10 targets throughout here, and this is the 30-yard or the 35-yard fan. So I know my sights are going to be a little bit off on the first shot just because I just got finished tuning, so I know that my sight is going to be off, but that's okay. So let's see how we do. I'll zoom in, try out this new iPhone's zoom capabilities. Dang, that's amazing. All right, let's see where we're at. I'm gonna start on time. We are shooting uphill 35 yard here. A little bit to the left. That was to be expected. We're not going to make any adjustments right now. We're not going to make any adjustments. Our windage is right. Our elevation's right. I'm not going to make any windage adjustments yet. Right in there, right in there. The stump wind is a little bit different, but she's doing good. So now I'm gonna shoot the upper target there, so that changes up. Now we're going to be shooting uphill. We're already shooting uphill now, but we're going to shoot uphill even further. And I might make a windage adjustment. Now this is 35 yard, and we are zoomed in with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's send some in there. Top target. Ooh, that's hard to see. And you're shooting uphill. I pulled on that shot. I should have let that one down. Damn it. sent that one home. So I'll zoom out and see what you see, let you guys see exactly what I'm shooting at here. Just going to take one more shot. We'll go from the center. So right here, 35 yard, 35 yard, 35 yard, 35 yard fan, left to right. Let's send another one home, and let's call it a day. Touch high, that's okay. We've shot a good group so far. Let's go up there and look at that group, guys, and then let's wrap it up. All right, now before I get hate and they're like, oh, you didn't group that well, you got to understand that you're shooting uphill, 3 different positions, right? So we got 2 X's, not bad. And I'm kind of running out of light, but not too much. And the bow's not really sighted in right now because I just got finished paper tuning it. So just wait till this bad boy's dialed in. And we were shooting from 3 different positions, remember that. Some of you archers will know, or competition guys will know what a 35 yard fan is. It'll eat your lunch if you're not careful. Ah. All right, guys. You're watching the Palmetto Outdoor Experience. Have a good day. God bless you. Make sure to like and subscribe.